When the father of Delia, Meli, and Anton passed away, he left a residential property in Las Piñas City. It was the only property that the spouses had acquired in their marriage. Since Anton was the youngest, the only boy in the family, and who has no job, he was left to care for their mother and to look after the property. Eventually, their aging mother became weaker. There was a time that Bella and Meli remembered the property that their parents had. They decided that they should start thinking of partitioning the same. However, according to their brother Anton, the property was already donated by him when she was still in the prime of her health. Further, he informed his sisters that he already sold the property to a third person who will start building a townhouse in the subject property soon. Delia and Meli are asking whether they have an enforceable right in their parents' sole property. Delia and Meli remember that an inheritance does not pass upon the heirs until the death of the testator. Should there be no last will made, the ownership of the property will only pass upon to the heirs once the ascendant is already deceased. With regard to the alleged donation in favor of Anton, it appears that the same is inofficious. The property is the sole property of your parents, and simply disposing it in favor of one of the heirs is tantamount to disinheriting the others. When your father passed away, there should have been a partition, whether judicial or extrajudicial. Since none was made, the property remained under the co-ownership of your mother and the three of you. With regard to the present issue, remember that under the law, you can still protect your interest over the property through collation. A fairly recent jurisprudence of the Supreme Court states that the term collation has two distinct concepts. First, it is a mere mathematical operation by the addition of the value of the donations made by the testator to the value of the hereditary estate. And second, it is the return to the hereditary estate of property disposed of by the lucrative title by the testator during his lifetime. Since your parents' property was disposed of by your brother, you can collate the value of it for it was sold for and become the subject of partition only after satisfying all the debts and legal obligations that your parents may have had. Of course, all of these will only be possible at the moment of death of your ascendant. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the details you have provided us. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Thank you for your trust in People's Television. Do email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimena Atienza for the Rule of Law.